Hi my vixens, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Valerie and I have a little co-hostess named Violet, and she's my little doggy, but she's laying on the floor right now. But she'll probably be up here in a minute, but she may not because I'm just talking today. I don't have anything that I'm showing. So welcome guys, glad to see you all back, and I hope everyone's doing well. And today we're doing a little something different. I'm not showing anything. I didn't haul anything, but I do have an announcement to make, okay guys? So, I have been thinking about doing this for quite some time, and I decided I'm just going to do it. So, I just went ahead and did it, and I did it last night, and yeah, I'm guilty. I did it, and we'll see how it goes. So, what I did is I became a independent Scentsy consultant. So I wanted to let you guys all know, and this is my announcement, so to speak, my announcement to let everybody know that I am now in business for myself with Scentsy. And I think it's going to be fun. I really think so far I'm having fun already, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So I wanted to invite you and let you all know that I'm having a launch event online. I'm planning on doing the majority of this online. So I have my own is it PWS? Yes. Which is, basically a website, personal website that you guys can go and order on. I'm having my event, my launch event there, and I hope that you all would join me there, okay? So, why Scentsy? Because I have really been getting into fragrance lately. Bath and Body Works, and their candles and all their candles, and I actually prefer to melt things rather than have an open flame in my home. So even though I've been really hauling a lot of candles and stuff, I may end up probably melting most of those on a warmer or in a candle crock, because I really feel like the fire and the flame really makes everything's too hot to where it distorts the scent. And I think it smells better on warmers and candle crocks. Plus, with this little girl, right here, this little girl, that little girl, I don't want her to, get into something and, get injured or hurt. I don't want that. So, that's one thing, one reason. And I just been watching a lot of people on YouTube, a lot of the independent Scentsy consultants and directors and stuff on there, and they just seem to have such a good time. They're having a good time with the products, and they're having a good time letting everybody telling everybody about the products and stuff. And I'm like, I want to do something like that. It could be fun. And plus, if you guys don't know, I'm 54 single dog mom, and I got to think about what I'm going to do for my future. And I would like to have, if I start now with this, I'd like to really have this business up and running really good by the time I retire. So that not only that I have a little extra income, I have some extra income when I retire, but it'll also help me get to the point to where I can retire. And it'll also give me something to do. I'll have something to do into retirement, so I won't get so bored. And I think that's why I really, am still wanting to work my YouTube channel too, because I don't want to just, quit working and have nothing to do. So that's another really main reason. So that's my story, okay? And I'm sticking to it. But but anyway, I want to let you guys know, I think Scentsy is a really interesting company. They have so much stuff going on. I mean, I thought that they just basically sold wax and wax warmers. Scented wax and wax warmers. That's what I thought they basically did. But they have so much other stuff, guys. They have, of course, the wax melts and the wax warmers, which they seem to be very good quality. They really do. And I like some aspects of the warmers that you're going to get with them rather than what you can get like at Walmart or other places. Not that those are bad. I'm just saying I think they have a little bit better quality. And the pricing is not as bad as I thought. I always thought Scentsy was like really, really expensive. And it's really not bad, to be honest. It's very fair, I think, in their pricing. They got wax warmers that start at $25 and then they go up from there. So they have something that would fit anybody's budget, I really think. So that's very interesting to me. They also not only have those items, but they also have a laundry line. I didn't know that. I'm like, are you kidding me? They got laundry detergent, like soap, and they've got like fabric softener, and they got washer whiffs, which are like your, those like downy things that you unstoppables, like those that you put in. That's what those are. They have all kinds of stuff for laundry. They have pet care stuff. You know, they have like pet shampoos. They have body care. I was really shocked with that too. They have like body mist and body washes and body creams and lotions and potions and all kinds of stuff. I was like, what? Why are you kidding me? Where have I been? They also have, like, if you're not into like wax, you know, melting wax, and you don't want to travel down that road, they also have diffusers for oils. So and they're beautiful. They have some beautiful diffusers, and I really would like to get one of those because I do the essential oils quite often. Especially at night in my bedroom, I like to have the essential oils, but I love that. And I wouldn't mind having actually a couple of them, one for out here in my living room, one for my bedroom. And they are just beautiful. And then they also have essential oils too that you can purchase through them. And this is all kind of really cool. I don't think it's kind of cool. I think it's really cool. So there's just so many different things. So when I noticed that and realized that, I thought, you know, that really opens up a lot more opportunity for anybody who wants to, you know, have a Scentsy business. And it also offers a lot more to like my customers. And I that's something I wanted. I wanted something I could do a majority online, and that, you know, my customers were getting, you know, a lot of variety of different things that they could be interested in or purchase, you know, not just wax and warmers. So yeah, they have really, really expanded. They have cleaning products as well. They have a counter cleaner, and they have bathroom cleaners, and I don't know what all else, hand lotions. And so I don't have my kit yet, but it's supposed to be coming. But I wanted to get my event started because I have 15 days in order. If I want to get my first reward, I've got to meet certain qualifications in 15 days. And if I don't get it, it's no big deal. I'm still like a consultant. But I would like to kind of excel at this. I really would. So that's why I wanted to get my launch event up and running on my personal, I don't know if it's personal, but on my website. So I got a website, guys, with them, and I have everything up and running and ready for you to just go over there and celebrate with me. I would really appreciate the help, and I'd like to be your independent Scentsy consultant. I really would. I think we can have some great fun with it, to be honest. I think we'll have a good time. Other things that I'm really impressed with Scentsy is they also have what's called Scentsy Club. And the Scentsy Club is, from time to time, companies and businesses, especially in today's world, if you find like something you like, they like discontinue it, it seems like. It always happens to me, you know. And this way, if you find like bars or anything that's like consumable, I guess, that you like, I think you can save it in your Scentsy Club. I think. I'm not sure. I don't know all the specifics, but you can like say a bar. I know a bar you can, and a bar is a bar of wax melts. Say you have a scent that you just love and love and love, and they say, okay, we're going to discontinue that. And instead of not being able to get it anymore, if you put it in your Scentsy Club, which will be delivered to you once a month automatically, or once every 2 months, or once every 3 months. You can choose the frequency, and you can choose the amount that you get. But as long as it's in one of those, they'll continue to make that bar for you. And you can do like, I don't know, several bars of it, then you get it. You don't have to go without it. I thought that was really cool. Plus, you don't have to do it, but I thought it was kind of cool. Also, if you do the Scentsy Club, if you do they have, is it a whiff box? Yeah, they have a whiff box is what it's called. And it's $30 a month. And if you don't put it in your Scentsy Club, then you're gonna have to continue to go in and order it manually. And you can do that if that's what you want. But it's $30 a month. With Scentsy Club, you get anything over $30, you get 10% discount. So that's kind of really cool too, I thought. Plus, they have rewards now that for every dollar you spend, you'll earn reward points, and then you can use those towards product. Not only in the Scentsy Club, but also on your independent Scentsy Consultant's website as well. So let's say you got 10 points that you can use towards product. You can use those on my website, or you can use them in the Scentsy Club, either or. And if you refer somebody, you get double the points, and you get I think it's double points for for items that they purchase. So that's cool too. And you can also, anything over, I think, $60 in the United States. This is all United States stuff, guys. You can get a half price item. So it's really, really cool. You can do so much with the Scentsy Club. And I think I'm going to get the whiff box. I'm putting that in mine. I'm getting mine signed up for today. So I want that. And I'm going to put it in my Scentsy Club and get it, I think, monthly for right now. And they got, all kinds of stuff in there. They've got cleaners that they put in there. They got wax bars of wax, and all kinds of stuff. Plus, if you're in the Scentsy Club, you also have access to wax bricks if you want. And I think those are over £1. So once again, if you don't, and they have, that's a pretty good price. It really is. So it's like I've heard it's like 5.5 bars of wax equals a brick of wax. So, and they have all different kinds of scents and stuff. So I'm really anxious to get my kit. And when I do get my kit, I'm going to do an unboxing. So what I'm going to do, guys, every day, I don't know if it's going to be every day, but I'm going to try to shoot for every day. I'm going to get on here and I'm going to tell you a little bit different and go a little bit more detail about Scentsy. And and give you the opportunity to go and celebrate with me on my launch event online. And I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. I really would. So I'm going to get off of here for now, but I'm so excited. Yay! And I hope you guys are excited for me too. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you tomorrow probably. So you guys take care. Love you. Bye-bye. I'm back. I got so excited, guys. I forgot the main thing. I forgot to tell you how you can get to my website, my new Scentsy website. And I don't want to forget that because I want you guys to go and I want you to partake and order bunches of wonderful things that you want. So down below in the description box, and I think I also put it in the pinned comment down below as well. I will have a link for you guys to go to my launch event. All right, and then you can order from there. Also, when you order from there, you get, you do have to pay for shipping, but you pay for shipping anywhere anymore. And but it will be shipped directly to you. It will not come to me. It'll come to you. So, and I think that's a good thing because, if you're in, halfway across the country, there's no way I'm going to be able to get it to you. So that's probably the best way to do it, to be honest. Um, so, yeah, I'm going to put the link below. Go check me out. Go check the launch out, and I'll put the link that you just click the link and you're there. All right. So, also, guys, they got some really great things for. I know I forgot to tell you. And if you want to, right now, the month of March, if you guys want to sign up underneath me and become your own, you want to become a Scentsy, independent Scentsy consultant, it's only $25. This month only, $25. Now, granted, you don't get like tons of stuff in your kit. You still that's for the kit. But you get, instead of a big warmer, you get a mini warmer, and you don't get it quite as big of a kit and stuff, but $25 to start your own business, that's pretty good. So I'm going to go into more detail with that as we go too. But if you guys are interested in signing up underneath me, that would greatly be appreciated. And oh my gosh, we'd have even more fun, because then we could do some Facebook lives and training together and that kind of stuff. That would be a blast. That would be totally a blast. And another thing I like about Scentsy, I don't have to buy like a bunch of product and have inventory. I don't have to do that, and I don't want to do that. I did that before, and I don't want to do that again. So anyway, I'll put the link below, and I'm sure I forgot a lot of things that I wanted to tell you guys too, because I'm just like so hyped up and I'm just so excited. But I'll get there. Okay, hang in there with me. I'll get there. So I'll put the link below. Go there, order, get your Scentsy Club, guys, because you're gonna save some money and you're gonna get some wonderful things for your home, and it's gonna be great. So I'm going to get off here for good this time. I'll say bye-bye. Love you guys.